Assetto Corsa Evo is out for a few weeks now, so let's have a look on my force feedback settings for MOZA R5 wheelbase. First, let me show you my settings in the pit house. In basic settings, I have maximum steering angle 180, soft limit stiffness is on 5, game force feedback intensity and the maximum output torque limit is on 100%. The rest is off. Advanced settings, everything is on 0 except the natural friction, which is on 100%. Force feedback equalizer, I'm using the preset number 9. This is the best preset in my opinion in any simulator. So let's jump to the Assetto Corsa Evo. In the settings and controls, click on the MOZA R5 base, then settings. The first is steering lock and it's set to 180 as in the pit house. The next is force feedback gain. Force feedback gain controls the intensity of the vibration you feel in the steering wheel, simulating the feeling of the road. So it's something like a road textures and vibrations of the road. I have it on 80%. Dynamic damping affects the resistance you feel when you're turning the steering wheel. This is a personal preference, but I have it on 40% and you can use it as a baseline. Minimum damper is on 0. Damper gain controls how resistance increases when turning the steering wheel as you increase the speed. I have it on 20%. True force gain, this is not available in MOZA wheelbases, so it's on 0. Now if you go to keyboard and mouse, you will see that there are more settings for the force feedback. These are some filters, but I'm leaving these on default settings. So with these force feedback settings, the feel in Assetto Corsa Evo is pretty good, but it's still in early access, so I expect them to change some settings or maybe even the feel of the force feedback in the game. I hope this video was helpful and I will see you in the next one.